इस वीडियो में हम लोग क्लास 6 के एसएसटी का कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे एंड दिस इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एनुअल एग्जाम और फाइनल एग्जाम. ओके, सो लेट स्टार्ट वीडियो. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द इक्वेटर डज नॉट पास थ्रू विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कॉन्टिनेंट. आपका बहुत सारे कॉन्टिनेंट होते हैं जिसमें से कौन सा कॉन्टिनेंट से आपका इक्वेटर पास नहीं होगा, तो आपका हो जाएगा यूरोप. द लॉन्गेस्ट circle drawn midway between two poles is called equator. When the time is 12 noon at 0 longitude, the time at 75 degree east longitude will be 5 p.m. Okay. Now next question: why does the torrid zone have the maximum temperature? The answer is in torrid zone the rays of sun are exactly overhead once a year except on the equator where the midday sun is overhead twice a year, so it has maximum temperature. Okay, so it has maximum temperature. Now question 5: why is the standard meridian selected by a country a multiple of 7.5 degree? यानी कंट्री का जो स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन है वो 7.5 डिग्री के मल्टीपल पर क्यों सेलेक्ट किया गया? तो आंसर होगा द स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन सिलेक्टेड बाय अ कंट्री इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 7.5 डिग्री सो दैट डिफरेंस बिटवीन इट एंड द जीएमटी ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग. जीएमटी इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन द मल्टीपल ऑफ half an hour. That's why. Okay. Now question 6: how much surface of earth is covered by ocean? The accurate answer is 71%. The largest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. Which continent is the most advanced and economically developed continent? The accurate answer is Europe. Okay. Now next: which of the following gases has the largest volume in atmosphere? The answer is nitrogen. Okay. Name the four limbs of the earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and the biosphere are the four limbs of the earth. Now next question: which continent is not inhabited by the people and why? The answer is Antarctica is the continent that is not inhabited by the people. It is due to very cold conditions. Okay, that's why people are not able to habitate. Okay. Now question 12: why is Earth known as a unique planet? The answer is Earth is a unique planet because it is only planet where life exists. Okay. Now question 13: the southernmost tip of the mainland of India is Kanyakumari. Question 14: which is the highest range of the Himalayas? The accurate answer is Himadri. Okay. Now question 15: which river flow westward into the Arabian Sea? The accurate answer is Narmada. What is the area and size of India in respect to the world? So India is a very vast country with an area of 3.28 million square kilometer and India is the 7th largest country in the world according to size. Okay, 7th largest country. Which countries form Indian subcontinent and why is it called so? Answer: India along with its neighbors Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh form a distinct geographical unit popularly known as Indian subcontinent. Okay, and all these neighbor countries are nearby our country. Okay. Name the newly formed 29th state of India and when was it formed? The answer is Telangana is the newly formed 29th state of India. It formed on 2nd June of 2014. Question 19. Which one of the following places in India experience very high temperature? Okay. The correct answer is Jaisalmer. Okay. Now question 20. Distinguish between tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. The answer is the difference between tropical evergreen and tropical deciduous forest are tropical evergreen forest. These are also called tropical rainforest. Okay, and they grow in the region of rainfall over 200 सेंटीमीटर पर एनम. यानी यहाँ पे जो आपका वर्षा होता है वहां पे आपको लगभग 200 सेंटीमीटर ज्यादा वर्षा होगा. These forests are dense and remains green throughout the year. Trees like rosewood, ebony, and bamboo are found here. Okay, and now next point. Tropical deciduous forest. These are also called monsoon forest. They grow in the region of rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeter per annum. Okay, and the trees in this forest shed their leaves during winter. Okay, and trees like peepal, teak, and jamun are found here. Okay. Now question 21. Why do we need to conserve our natural vegetation? The answer is we need to conserve our natural vegetation because it gives atmospheric oxygen to the environment that we breathe. We get different types of natural resources from them, so it is necessary to conserve our natural vegetation. Okay. Now question 22. State the significance of monsoon for the people of India. Answer. People of India eagerly wait for the arrival of monsoon rains to get relief from the oppressive of heat of the Indian weather. It also affects crops. Okay. Now question 23rd. Who was the founder of Mauryan dynasty? Answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Who wrote Arthashastra? The correct answer is Kautilya. Question 25. The Mauryan king were assisted by Mantri Parishad. Okay, these are objective type questions. Now, question 26. List the main sources of information about Mauryan dynasty. Answer. The main sources of information is Indica by Magnetes, Kautilya, Arthashastra, Purans, Buddhist and Jain literature, etc. Okay. Question 27. Which lake was built by Chandragupta Maurya and why? The answer is Sudarshan Lake was built by Chandragupta Maurya for irrigation. Okay. Now question 28. Describe the finest example of the architecture of the Mauryan period. Okay. The answer is the finest examples of architecture can be seen in the form of stones pillars with shining surface. The pillars were crowned with animal figures and dharma chakra. The top of a stone pillar with 4 lions and dharma chakra has been adopted as our national emblem. Okay. Now question number 29. Describe briefly the social and the economic life of people during the Mauryan period. Answer. During Mauryan period, people lived peacefully and harmoniously with each other and obeyed law. Agriculture was the basis of the village economy. Economic conditions was also good at that time. Clear? Now question 30. Sakaj originally belonged to Central Asia. The accurate answer is Central Asia, and these also question belong to MCQ type and objective type. Question 31. Kusans were defeated by Huns. The Gandhar school of art made image of only Gautam Buddha. Who was the last Kusan ruler? The answer is Vasudev. Who was the first person to prove that Earth moves around the sun? Well-known person, Aryabhatta. Okay. Now, next question. Thanesar is located in Haryana. Rajvardhan came to throne in 605 CE. The Chinese traveler who came to India during Harsha ruler was Hunsang. ये आपका हो जाएगा. Now question next. What happened after the Vardhan Empire lost its gallery? Answer. After the Vardhan Empire lost its gallery, there was a quick emergence of many small independent kingdoms in the south. Chalukyas and Pallavas become more powerful. Okay. Now question 39. Why was Nalanda University famous? Nalanda University was famous and international center of education, and that time Nalanda was international center of education. It was situated at Patna, the capital of Bihar. It has a very large library. Students from all over the world came to study at Nalanda. Okay. Now question 40. Who invented the paper first? The answer is China. 41. The main factor of responsible for creating our contact with different part of Asia was Buddhism. Buddhism spread in various parts of the world largely due to the efforts of king. The correct answer is Ashoka. Okay. Now question 43. The oldest religion of the world is Hinduism. Okay. Siddhartha became Buddha when he attained enlightenment. Okay. Question 45. Explain the meaning of cycle of birth and rebirth. Hindu philosophy preaches that soul is immortal. Soul it means जो हमारा आत्मा जो है वो क्या है, वो नहीं मरता है. ठीक है. वो हमारा आत्मा जो है शरीर बदलता है. ठीक है. It's never dies. When it leaves one's body and it enters the other body, this called the cycle of birth and rebirth. Okay. Now next question. Why do Christians celebrate Easter and Christmas every year? Answer. It is believed that Jesus Christ came back to life after 3 days and then left for his heavenly abode. This event is celebrated as Easter every year. The birth of Christ is celebrated all over the world on 25 December every year as a Christmas. Okay. Now question 48. List the 8-fold path as suggested by Mahatma Buddha to attain moksha. Answer. The eightfold path suggested by Mahatma Buddha to attain moksha are: first, right observation; second, right action; third, right livelihood; fourth, right thinking; fifth, right determination; sixth, right speech; seven, right exercise; and eight, right meditation. Okay. Question 48. What is the most positive attitude in a conflicting situation? The most positive attitude in a conflicting situation is live and let live. Okay. Now, question 49. Who organize, supervise, and control the activity around us? The government, organization, supervise, and control activity around us. So the correct answer is the government organization. Okay. Question 15. Give example of any two elected representative of the people at various level of government. So the answer is Prime Minister is an example of elected representatives of the people at national level of government, and Chief Minister is another example at state level of government. These are two representatives selected by the people at different level. Okay. Now question 51. The chairperson of Gram Panchayat is not called as president. The administrative work of a Panchayat Samiti is looked after by a block development officer, in short BDO. Okay. Question 53. The apex body of Panchayati Raj system is Jila Parishad. Okay. Now next. Mention three levels of local self-governing bodies under Panchayati Raj system. The three levels of local self-governing bodies under the Panchayati Raj system are: first, Gram Panchayat at the village level; second, Block Samiti or Panchayat Samiti at block level; and third, Jila Parishad or Jila Panchayat at the district level. Okay. Now question 55. The chairperson of municipal corporation is called mayor. Okay. The semi-urban areas which are gradually developing into a city have what? Have Nagar Panchayat. The cities with a population of 20,000 to 10 lakh have municipal council, and the population more than 10 lakh, if question asks if population more than 10 lakh, it means it has municipal corporation. Okay. म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन अगर 10 लाख से ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन होता है तो वहां पे म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन होगा. क्वेश्चन 58. डिस्क्राइब एनी 5 मेन फंक्शन ऑफ म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. 5 मेन फंक्शन ऑफ म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन आर: सप्लाई ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, सप्लाई ऑफ फ्रेश ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, मेंटेनेंस ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स, कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ रोड्स, ब्रिज, पार्क्स एक्सेट्रा, sanitation and cleanliness including removal of garbage and cleaning of drains. These are the functions of municipal corporation. Question 59. Mention some problems being faced by the big city these days. Answer. Nowadays more and more people are migrating towards big cities is due to inflow of employment. These cause rapid growth of population in big cities and it becomes way overcrowded. People faces the problems of drinking water, electricity, hospitals and transport. These are the problems faced by the people in big cities like Patna, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Kolkata, etc. Okay. Now question 60. List 3 important functions of the deputy commissioner in district administration. The answer is the 3 important functions of deputy commissioner are: first, to maintain law and order in the district; second, टू कलेक्ट रेवेन्यू एंड मेंटेनेंस लैंड रिकॉर्ड्स। थर्ड, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सिविल एमेनिटीज, ठीक है, एमेनिटीज। नाउ these question are related to map and these are very important question, so must watch it. In the map of India, on the outline map of India, locate and label the following. First is Ganga, Kaveri and Tapi. Okay, so this is Tapi, यहाँ आपका तापी हो गया, गंगा यहाँ देखिए ये आपका गंगा हो गया यहाँ पे, एंड तापी आपका हो गया, उसके बाद आपका कावेरी, कावेरी देखिए कहाँ पे, ये आपका हो गया कावेरी, आपको ये मार्क करना है, ठीक है। देन आफ्टर अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड लक्षद्वीप, तो ये देखिए आपको जो अरेबियन सी होता है उसी के नीचे आपको यहाँ पे जो मार्क होगा उसके नीचे आप लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड करेंगे, और ये आपको अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड होगा बे ऑफ बंगाल में। ओके, ये आपका जो हम क्वेश्चन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग मार्क किया गया। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, ठीक है। ये आपका देखिए, ये आपका जो लाइन है, ठीक है, ये देखिए लाइन आपका जो दिया हुआ है दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया एंड दिस वन इज ए ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर। ओके, ये देखिए काराकोरम रेंज आपका दिया हुआ है, ये आपका पार्ट जो होगा वो काराकोरम रेंज होगा, ठीक है। यहाँ देखिए ये जो आपका पार्ट है जम्मू कश्मीर का जो पार्ट है यहाँ से नीचे तक ऐसे लेंगे, ये काराकोरम रेंज हो जाएगा। अरावली माउंटेन ये आपको जो एरिया हो जाएगा यहाँ तक, ये आपको अरावली माउंटेन हो जाएगा, इसलिए यहाँ पे आप इसको मार्क कर लोगे। क्लियर। नाउ क्वेश्चन है आउटलाइन पोलिटिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया, मार्क एंड लेबल द फॉलोइंग। इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेस ऑफ ट्रेड मथुरा, कौशाम्बी, भरूखच्छा एंड उज्जैन, ये आपका यहाँ दिया हुआ है दैट इज कॉल्ड, ये आपका हो गया मथुरा, मथुरा आपका हो गया यहाँ पे, कौशाम्बी, ठीक है, ये आपका भारूकच्छ हो गया, ये भारूकच्छ हो गया यहाँ पे। उसके बाद आपका हो जाएगा उज्जैन, यहाँ पे उज्जैन हो गया, ये देखिए। उसके बाद आप देखेंगे रिवर गंगा, ब्रह्मपुत्र, कावेरी, कृष्णा एंड गोदावरी, ये आपको गंगा हो गया यहाँ पे, ये गंगा हो गया, देखेंगे ये आपका गंगा हो गया यहाँ पे, यहाँ ब्रह्मपुत्र हो गया, यहाँ कृष्णा हो गया, यहाँ कावेरी हो गया, गोदावरी हो गया। उसके बाद है अजंता एंड एलोरा केव, ये आपका अजंता एंड एलोरा केव, ठीक है, ये आपको मार्क करना है इसके अकॉर्डिंग जैसा मैंने बताया है। क्लियर। नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, क्वेश्चन 64, ऑन द आउटलाइन पोलिटिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया मार्क द लेवल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। द इंपॉर्टेंट सिटीज वाराणसी, नालंदा, पाटलिपुत्र, थनेसर, कमरलिप्ती पोर्ट। ओके, so these are the location, that is Thanesar, Indraprasth and Nalanda, this one Nalanda, Patliputra and कामरलिप्ती पोर्ट। थनेसर आपका हो गया। उसके बाद आपका वाराणसी, ये देखिए वाराणसी हो गया यहाँ पे, ये वाराणसी हो गया। तो इस तरीके से जो आपका दिया रहेगा उसको हम लोग मार्क करेंगे। उसका नेक्स्ट आपका है एक्सटेंट ऑफ हर्षा एम्पायर, ठीक है, तो जहां जहां हर्षा एम्पायर था उसको आपको मार्क करना है। क्लियर। तो ये आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थे जो एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी साबित हो सकता है, और आई होप कुछ क्वेश्चन इसमें से आपको एग्जाम में मैच कर जाएंगे।